Hello students, welcome to the online classes of Gotham Model School. I hope you all are fine, and this is your Naima Miss taking science classes, and I hope you all are fine, safe at home. Please kindly take care of yourself, your family, love and care your family, and even listen to your parents and teachers. And I hope you all be, and not only hope, I'm sure you all will sit at home and listen to us and to your parents, and you all will learn yourself looking into our online classes. Okay, so today we are going to start with our first lesson. Can you guess which is the first lesson of science? Do you want to know? Are you interested? So chalo, let us start the first lesson. That is nothing but it is related to your something that is we are feeling hungry to today. Right? Whenever we feel hungry, what do we have? Yes, what do we have? We have food, right? We need something to get energy when you're feeling hungry, your stomach starts craving, wow, I want something. That is something is nothing but your food. Okay, so we will learn something related to your food today. So shall we start? Are you feeling hungry? Yes? Fill your tummies and then sit for the classes. Okay, so that you don't feel hungry, right? So chalo, let us start the lesson. So our first lesson today is food components, right? So till now we have learned that what is food. Food is nothing but it's a substance eaten by us to do work, grow, maintain our body and remain healthy. Okay, so today we will learn what are the food components. Food though we are eating, what are the components which are present in the food which are helping our body to get this all energy and grow and maintain, okay, and remain healthy. So do you know what's the difference between food and nutrient? Okay, food is nothing but something we are eating to do work or grow or maintain our body and remain healthy. Then what is nutrient? Do you know it? Nutrient is nothing but a substance which is essential. It is very important for us. Not only eating, whatever we are eating, it is going into our tummy. But what is very important for our body to grow, to maintain our health, everything is nothing but nutrient. Okay, a substance which is essential for maintaining our life or for growth is called as nutrient. So do you know, have you understood what is the difference between food and nutrient? Right? Food is what we are eating. Everything, whatever we are eating is food. But nutrient is whatever is important for our body. Okay, that is nutrient. Right? So let us continue with some of the nutrients today. Okay, shall we have a clear we'll go through all these nutrients, right? So that you can become more healthy, like whenever you are having a clear picture again in front of your eyes, that if we have these kind of nutrients will be a good health, then we will definitely go with the things, right? So let us start with the nutrients. You know what? Our body requires even nutrients, water, and refuges. These three are the important part of our health and growth. Okay, so let us go with the nutrients. We have our body, our food has 5 major nutrients. What are those? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay, in addition to this, as I already said, we have water and refuges. Okay, and refuges I'll explain you in detail. They are nothing but some of the fibers, dietary fibers which are present in our body, which I'll be explaining you in details after the nutrients. Okay, so let us start the components of food. First one is carbohydrates. So chalo, let us go with carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates are nothing but they are very rich in energy giving. Okay, what does they do? Carbohydrates provide us energy to our body. We eat very little amount of glucose or sugarcane every day. The main carbohydrate that we eat in our food is starch. It comes from cereals, wheat and rice, etc. Food from wheat is prepared in the form of wheat, chapati, right? We eat bread, noodles, etc. Rice is as usual we'll eat, like we'll cook like that only and we will eat, or even we will prepare doshas, idlis, etc. So when we eat the food, starch converts in come into the form of carbohydrates into our body, and this starch carbohydrates provide energy to our body. even potato, and we eat almost every day something or the other food which is containing carbohydrates. So let us see, we'll have some of the examples what we are having, which are rich in cereals, which are rich in carbohydrates, cereals like wheat, rice, maize, millet, etc. Some more we have like potatoes, sweet potato, jaggery, honey, etc. and fruits like mango, watermelon, banana, papaya, etc. Okay, so these things are very rich in carbohydrates. Please note that carbohydrates in our food are obtained mainly from the plant source. Okay, so we have learned about the carbohydrates. Yes, students? Shall we go with our next nutrient? Yes? Yeah. Fats also provide energy to our body. In fact, fats provide us twice as much energy as that of provided by the same amount of carbohydrates. For example, we are using a little amount of butter, which is a fat, providing such as more energy than the large slice of bread. Suppose we are eating one bread piece, it is giving much less energy when compared to butter or ghee. We get more energy from ghee, butter, than the energy provided to us by the bread. It can be obtained from both plants and animals. We have we'll think that fats means we have again, they are in the form of solid. Okay, whenever they are in the form of solid, they are called as fats, and whenever they are in the form of liquid, they are called as oils. And you know that in our houses also we use so many oils provided from animals and plants, right? Like we have groundnut oil, mustard oil, coconut oil, etc. And from animals we get butter, ghee, egg, cheese, meat, etc. Right? The food containing fat and carbohydrates are called as energy giving food. Once again I am repeating, fats and oils are similar substances. Okay, don't get confused. I'm saying fats means you said fats na means, oils means again you are telling fats. Fats and oils are similar, दोनों सेम होते हैं. ओके, दोनों दे प्रोवाइड बोथ लाइक मोर एनर्जी दैन द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, बट द डिफरेंस, ओनली डिफरेंस इज फैट्स आर सॉलिड. जब रूम टेम्परेचर पे विल कीप लाइक दैट ओनली व्हेन दे बिकम्स दे आर सॉलिड. ओके, whereas oils are liquid at room temperature. Okay, like you see your mustard oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, whatever we use for cooking or applying on the hair, you see that they are liquid. Whereas ghee, if you see ghee, they are solid, है ना? Room temperature also, at room temperature also they are solid. So that's what, don't get confused. Okay, and then I said already plant sources they have, and we have animal sources, right? So just go through these two topics, these nutrients first. That is, I have explained today what is food, what is nutrient, and there are 5 type of nutrients what we use in our body, and in that I have explained carbohydrates and I have explained fats. So please go through once, revise it. Okay, then again we'll continue with the next class. Until then, take care and be careful. Please read and do the homeworks and take care. Bye.